Top of the morning. So, I'm back. First day of a new class. So, I hope you're doing good. I hope you're doing great. But, I'm back. First day. I passed, of course. Come on now. So, we're here in new class. Old teacher. My teacher for manual transmissions. So, Gregory, if you remember who that is. But yeah, we out here. So, like usual, show you the vibes. What is it? What's all this? The four stages in a four-stroke engine? Oh, why you told him? You shouldn't have said that. Yesterday I was going 500. Almost. But he gave us the actual. What is ABCs? Cars in general. A two-stroke I understand. I didn't ask you. A two-stroke I understand. I didn't ask you. Yeah. I should not work. And it's most common shit. I've been so close to getting remember. Bro, a band, bro. What is it? Nigga, you just left the class that's supposed to teach you that. Wait, Louis, you're back. No, I'm trying for this whole yeah, but no, we gotta play that soccer zero game on Roblox, so we out. Yo, wait, hold on. No, you guys gave up after like. We just learned it. I just played that shit for like months. You gotta Google it.
Because it won't release, it binds to our blood cells, but it won't release, and yeah, we fall asleep and we die. Carbon dioxide, however, is that red? We breathe in oxygen, we breathe in air, right? And use the oxygen. What breathes in carbon dioxide? Trees. Plants. Stuff like that. Yeah, so, okay, so yeah, trees can use carbon dioxide. And then trees, when they breathe out, where we breathe out carbon dioxide, they breathe out what? Air too. Well, they breathe out oxygen. What up, Anthony? Go away, clown!
I need a break, bro. Come on. Great job. I need a break from you, guys. Please don't
Unburned hydrocarbons, those are not necessarily.
We may have smudged this. I know. Nobody said
If we're lean, we're getting.
I saw my options.
Knox, bed,
Is everybody here? Every day. Today I'm out of my fault. I took a break, right? I took yesterday, but you said everybody here? Yeah, I think so. Let me get my paycheck.
So y'all like my due to the amount of cargo we gave, we had air was so poorly made. Outside or something like that.
Nah, I think so. Oh, Sagira! You the only nigga who can sit next to him. Coach Baker, shut up.
Oh, is that Paul?
Okay, man, don't do it.
You know the chance? Just tell the chance.
He don't come to school with all that food.
Oh, what the fuck? You gotta get one outside. Yo, I'm live. I'm glitched.
Yo, Chris.
Yo, Chris, you in the void? Yeah, up and took me out now. Dang.
Oh, who you back?
Yeah, for one class.
That's up, right?
Again. Oh my God, what up, yo? How you doing? My ears are bleeding. I'm trying. Grab a chair next to that. I didn't have to. Stop, bro. Nope. Stop. Nope. Shut up. No, I got something that annoys you. I'm kidding. That shit don't annoy me. Sing it all you want, you fucking pansy. Fuck you. Where's the Twin Towers? Sing the whole thing. What about
No, that's LA.
Oh. I thought that was a. I was not a seeker again. Oh, we in this minute? We in this minute? Like my spot?
That's what he sees if he was to look up there. He's gonna see you laying down like that.
Fuck me, bro. Like, what's the point of playing this game? What's the point of playing this game?
What do you mean?
What do you just snitched?
Oh!
Snitched, man.
Oh! My bad.
Yo, give me like 20 more minutes. Give me 20 minutes.
Yo, I didn't realize. My bad. I said laying down up there. That could be anywhere. Huh?
Oh,
Hey, man.
No.
My bad.
I'm stuck.
Yeah.
My bad. I didn't know
See,
that.
homie?
By saying up there, he'd know exactly where the fuck.
Oh,
Damn.
Yo, you're grimy as fuck.
I
bro.
didn't know. And
Like, he's in the room with us. Like,
He said, "Oh, he's just up there laying down."
I didn't know, bro.
Laying down at this spot, at this location.
All I said was up there. Up
Like,
there
that
could
was
have
a
been.
pretty good indication.
yeah, that was a very good indication. Like,
It could. Oh my God.
all he had to do was look up.
I sold you one game.
We let it slide.
That's hilarious.
Why'd you have to go in there, bro?
I didn't even kill you.
You got him killed.
Where I was at.
Listen, bro, someone gotta go down with this shit, bro. I can't.
Wow. So we just ratting each other out now.
I mean, apparently.
Oh yeah, I started it. My bad.
It's Wednesday, my dude.
Yo, where's
Fuck this guy. And that stupid ass song. It's not heat at all, actually.
Yo, guys, Joni's nearby.
I don't fuck with it. Cause you're spamming it.
Why?
Nah, you're
School's almost over.
It's almost time to go home. And then next week we have no school at all.
We're about to be done.
Keep a hard one.
Yo.
Yo,
Keep a hard day.
stay hard, y'all.
But yeah. But yeah. We have no school next week. After Friday, we're free for a week, so W's in the chat. But yeah.
Keep a hard day.
Exactly.
I'm gonna get a spot.
What's it called? They called me.
Alright. Yeah, first day.
Done. About to be light. About to be chilling.
Yeah.
It's gonna be a good class. We got a good teacher, so we gonna
Yeah.
be good. We just got this.
You see, niggas look happier now.
Because we actually. Yeah.
They got some shit.
Safety. What? It's closed. Oh, you mean through there? Oh, okay, yeah, we can do that. But yeah, thank y'all for the love, the comments, the likes. I appreciate y'all. Yeah, another day. in the paradise of Lincoln Tech. Bye.